Hello everyone in Cyber World. Welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This week we're going to be putting on a mural onto a Murphy bed that we recently built. So if you've watched our recent videos, we spent the last couple weeks building this Murphy bed. As we mentioned in the past, it was intended to do an elaborate Disney castle theme Murphy bed, but in all reality, my daughter decided that it was more important that we have shelving space because there's really limited space in this tiny room. So we went with shelves, but we didn't want it just to be a plain, boring pink and purple Murphy bed, so we decided to put a mural on there. The mural, unfortunately, neither one of us has painting skills, so we came up with a different method, and we're going to show you how we did that.
But before we do that, please leave us a comment. This helps our channel grow, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button below. We went with the vinyl decorations for the Murphy bed because our granddaughter really likes them right now. In the future, we may use different type of decorations. The vinyl helps us to actually take them off and place them with a different type of decoration if she chooses to.
Yeah. As you probably know, children go through different phases, and she may enjoy Baby Shark right now, but next week may be something totally different, and we can replace it relatively easy. For next week, we're going to be starting a very big project for us where we're going to be redoing a closet organizer, but we're going to be building it from the floor up. We want to spend a lot of time on this one to make sure we do it right. But in between, we're also going to be working on some smaller projects that we also have to get accomplished. So we're not sure which video we'll have next week, but until we meet again, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.